Hello students, good morning. Now today we will continue with the chapter adjectives. Okay, so we will see more in detail. So in the last session we already saw about adjective of quality and adjective of numbers. Now in this session we will see adjective of quantity and other adjectives such as demonstrative adjective and possessive adjectives too. Okay, so we will start with adjectives of quantity. Now the words that tells us about the quantity of nouns are called adjectives of quantity. Okay, these tells us how much a noun is. Okay, how much. Okay, adjective of quantity मतलब कितना है. Okay, वो हमें अगर सेंटेंस में पता चलता है कि कितना है तो that is what, how much. So this is what the adjective of quantity. Now I will give you few examples. That is, I need some more sugar in my coffee. Okay, here what, I need some sugar, but how much? Some. Okay, some sugar in my coffee. कितनी शुगर चाहिए? सिर्फ थोड़ी सी. Okay, some. I have put enough efforts to complete this project. Okay, I have put efforts, but how much my efforts is? Enough efforts. Okay, to complete this project. So here some, enough, and the third example is, I will not have much time after holidays. Okay, much time. Here we are talking about time, but how the time is, we are not having much time. Okay, so here some, enough, and much tells us something about quantity. Okay, and so this sentence tells us about quantity. This is adjectives of quantity. Okay, are you getting me? Here adjectives of quantity can be in both countable and uncountable. So in countable, first we will see all about countable. Now here few, fewer, and many. Okay, it can be countable. How? I will give you one example. Let's say for example in few, Himani took a few books to read on vacation. Okay, here few books can be count. Okay, books can be count. So it is in countable noun. Now fewer. Now he thinks cats have fewer troubles than dog. Okay, as compared to cats and dogs, cats are having fewer trouble. We can count the fewer troubles as compared with cats and dogs. Okay, so it is in countable noun. And many people of India worship many lords. Okay, many lords. So lords we can count. कौन से lords को हम praise करते हैं वो हम count कर सकते हैं. Yes, so that is what this all lies into countable noun. Now we will talk about uncountable noun. Okay, so first is little. It is surprising how much little can be achieved with such little efforts. Okay, so here little is what? Little is uncountable noun. Can we count that how much effort? Little efforts. So but little efforts क्या हम count कर सकते हैं? No, we cannot count. Okay, likewise less. I have less milk in my glass. तो milk हम count कर सकते हैं? No, we cannot count. Okay, so this cannot be count. Then much. Much is the trainer did not have much confidence in Reena's ability. Much confidence. Confidence क्या हम count कर सकते हैं? No. So all this lies under, this is what about countable and uncountable noun. Okay. Now we will talk about demonstrative adjectives. The words that point out a noun are called demonstrative adjectives. For example, these, that, these and those are demonstrative adjectives. Okay, नाउन को अगर पॉइंट कर रहे हैं, कोई वर्ड ऐसा है जो नाउन को पॉइंट आउट कर रहा है, दैट इज व्हाट, डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल दीज मैंगोज आर ज्यूसी. ओके, these mangoes that we are pointing out. Okay, कौन से मैंगोज की बात कर रहे थे? these mangoes are juicy. Okay, that car is blue in color. We are talking about one particular car that we can point out. Okay, that is what, that we can use that. So this is what demonstrative adjectives that we can point out. Now this pen is made up of metal. This pen, we can talk about pen. Okay, one pen we are talking about. So this is what, this pen. And those trees are lush green. Those trees we can point out the trees also. So that so here we will use those. So in the above examples, that is these, that, this and those, that shows what, demonstrative adjectives that we can point out by nouns. Okay, nouns को point out करके अगर हम बात कर रहे हैं, so that is what demonstrative adjectives. Okay, so difference between demonstrative pronoun and demonstrative adjective. Okay, so what is the difference between demonstrative pronoun and demonstrative adjective? So here I will explain you by the examples. Now the demonstrative pronouns. Okay, the example is this is my cap and those are my bodyguard. Okay, so here see the both examples. Okay, here former is used in place of nouns. Okay, former means this, see first example, this is my cap. Okay, so is my, जो this के बाजू में is my है, that is what former. This is what adjectives and cap is what noun. So in between adjective and noun there is something in between, that is called former. Okay, so this former is used in between both the things. Okay, in between adjectives and nouns. So this is what demonstrative pronouns. Now look at the second examples. Those are my bodyguards. So here those are adjective and bodyguard are noun, and in between there is what are my. Okay, so are my is what, again the demonstrative pronoun. Okay, so here former is my and are my, that is used between adjectives and noun. So this is what demonstrative pronoun. Now what is demonstrative adjectives? Again we will see two examples, that is this cap is white and those bodyguards are strong. Okay, so here the letter is used to point out a noun. Okay, means directly जो adjective और noun के बीच में कुछ नहीं आएगा, उसके पीछे आएगा, that is what this cap is white. Okay, those bodyguards are strong. So there is nothing in between adjectives and nouns. So this is what demonstrative adjectives. Are you getting me? Now possessive adjectives. Now some adjectives are used to show ownership or belonging. Okay, as we already saw in the before chapters that we saw the possessive things. Okay, possessions we saw. So that is what that shows something about belongings or ownership. Okay, now here one example is that is my horse. Okay, the horse, किसका horse है? That is my horse. That it shows the belonging, that whose horse is that? My. Okay, so the possessive adjective my shows ownership of the noun. Okay, now the words that show an ownership of a noun over another noun are called possessive adjectives. Okay, there is already a noun and the here over a noun. Okay, ownership क्या होता है? over a noun का होता है. So that is what possessive adjectives. For example, my, your, his, her, its, our and theirs are possessive adjectives. Okay, now for example, giraffe is a tall animal. Okay, there is already a noun, that is giraffe, and here avoiding repetition, here in place of giraffe we can use its. Okay, its means whose? Giraffes. Okay, so giraffes, so its neck is very high. So giraffe is a tall animal and its neck is very high. So this is what, there is already a possessive. Okay, already a ownership of noun, and over one noun there is another noun. Okay, जैसे यहाँ रिपीटेशंस नहीं होना है, इसीलिए यहाँ पे हमने जिराफ के बदले क्या यूज़ किया है? इट्स. सो this is what possessive adjective. It is what possessive adjectives. Now my books are placed inside a bookshelf. Okay, whose book we are talking about? My books. Okay, so here my book is what? Adjective of possessive. Okay, that is what possessive adjectives. Okay, are you getting me? Here few examples I will say. Their swimming pool was empty yesterday. So there, whose swimming pool we are talking about? Theirs. Okay, it is his responsibility to take care of his health. Okay, here we are talking about whom? His. Okay, so here his is what? Possessive adjective. Likewise there are more few examples in your textual, in your textbook. Okay, so we will solve that also. Thank you.